Hi, I'm Mr. Schaefer. Welcome to Concepts in Algebra. A little bit about me. I am from Michigan. I graduated from Michigan State University with a bachelor's in political science. And then I came here actually and taught for a year in Southeast DC, after which I decided I wanted to pursue a career in education. And I attended the University of Notre Dame while simultaneously teaching in Indianapolis, and that is where I've been for the last 4 years. I decided to come back this way because I miss the city, and also my girlfriend lives on the East Coast here. I love coaching, playing, and watching sports, specifically football, basketball, and baseball. I'm a big Detroit Lions fan, Michigan State, and Notre Dame fan. I enjoy movies and television, specifically sci-fi shows and fantasy shows. Um, I like hiking and being able to enjoy time in nature. I'm a big fan of cats and dogs, especially the mischievous kind. So if they get up to any antics, let me know. For eighth grade concepts in algebra, the idea here is to build a great foundation for our scholars going into high school so that they can be very successful in Algebra 1. This is the common class that all eighth graders take, and we just want to put down those strong foundations so that they're ready for high school math. Here's some of the highlights that we're going to be going through this year: linear equations, interpreting slope and intercepts. We'll be doing a lot of graphing. We'll be working with functions, interpreting different types of graphs, bar graphs, pie graphs, etc. We'll be working with square and cube roots, working with exponents and scientific notation starting next week. And then we'll be doing geometry as well, working with different lines, different angles, and rotating different shapes over the X and Y axis and things like that. One of the great things about this class is it has like true real world applications. Anytime you go to the grocery store and you're trying to figure out what the sale might be, or if you're trying to figure out what the price of X item might be, all of that is algebra. Even today, I had a conversation with a scholar where she asked me if she needed to put parentheses around an order of operations problem. And I told her, well, yeah, I think you kind of already did because you're already doing it in your head with the multiplication ahead of the addition. So these are things that we're already doing that often scholars don't even realize that they're doing, or us adults as well. Also, just working with the geometry that's all around us in the buildings and on the roads, even in the pastries there. So, yeah. The expectations for eighth grade math. Students are using their graphing composition notebooks for class. That'll be really helpful for just scrap paper. And then also as we get into graphing, each student will need a calculator. There will be daily homework assignments. So it is important that students check the Google Classroom and the middle school homework sites. Students must show their work, and assignments will be checked regularly for understanding. Checking for missing assignment on the parent side. For you, check the missing assignments in the Google Classroom or the Plus portals and refer to the student handbook for grading policies. Scholars should definitely ask for help if they need it. We have a small class, which is wonderful. They have a lot of my attention as I'm going around in the room. I'm usually moving around pretty fluidly. So if they need anything, they know and hopefully are comfortable just asking. If they need help with the homework or anything like that, they can leave a comment on the Google Classroom or send me an email or anything like that. One of the big things for me here is this poster, and these are just doing the basic things that everybody needs to do to be successful that require zero talent. That's all for concepts in algebra. I'm really excited to be here at Our Lady of Victory this year, and I'm really excited to have your scholarship.